Right, we have Christmas FM on, Hoover in the hand, high ears on, and this is how we do it here. And the song is over. That's the end of the boss for a few more minutes. You know, I love doing the Hoover. I don't know why, but I do. It's therapeutic. And now you can all see me doing it. I know, I'm a bit mad. I'm sure fuck it, it's Christmas. That's the first time I've actually sworn in one of our videos. I just had to knock a Santa there, Sharon's gone mental. And there's no music on. There probably is, but I can't hear it over the Hoover. Vacuum cleaner for anybody who's brand specific. You know? You see, I do this every day. That I'm around, that I'm home. And make sure that it's done properly, you know what I mean? Because if you want a job done properly, you have to do it yourself, don't you? And I hope to God that people don't take that the wrong way or anything like that, because you know people are like, you say something that somebody doesn't like, next time you get 10,000 comments, oh no, I'm a potato maker. But you know what? It's nice, and it's on my channel, haha, my page, my post. Don't like it? Scroll on or jog on. Now let's finish over here. All it takes to get the room nice and sparkling. I keep on telling Sharon that which one is. So no, you do it yourself, actually. So yeah, she's been doing the dishwasher. And I'm not gonna put the video in there because I'll be shocked. So yeah, Christmas. Oh, happy dinner. Thursday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Friday is Black Friday. We'll get to work on Black Friday. We're going to I don't know, we're going to go shopping somewhere. And have to get a present for Sharon. Sharon has to get a present for me. Saturday brings all the presents for the kids. So yeah, Christmas. I'll never forget the time I bought Sharon a vacuum cleaner for her birthday. I use it all the time. Lucky I didn't get hit with it. Anyway, clean, Hoover. Bye.